So today we are going to be fixing some underpants. For some reason, not going to mention the name, but the elastic comes up quite quickly on boxer shorts. So I'm just going to be using my sewing machine and just fixing it up. Put black thread on it. All you need to do is just look where it's undone. So you don't need any special machine. Just stretch it out a little bit. Gonna expand the length as well, and just so. It does seems to be like rolling a bit, so I'm gonna try and unroll a bit and then carry on. Keep it stretched. Oops. I think I'm gonna hold at the back as well so that the where it joins together again. Just cover a little bit over, and I'm doing the back stitch. And let's have a look. So it's not aesthetically now pleasing or kind of same now, but it's fixed, so you can use the boxer shorts again. Just gonna trim off some loose threads here, the ones we made, and there's the other side in here. But yeah, this is how you fix your boxer shorts. Again, not gonna mention the name who's doing the bad quality boxer shorts, but they're now fixed. Thanks for watching.